Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is March the 14th, 2023, and it's actually above freezing today. We've got about +2 and there's a little bit of snow and rain coming down. But I just wanted to show you that in fact, when I said I still have a lot of snow here, you can see we still have a lot of snow. So growing season won't be started for quite some time. And that there is something I built last year and I really love it. It's elevated and it's so easy to maintain. You can get in and around your plants to take out all the weeds. Anyway, that's just a really fast update. I just wanted to show you what the conditions are up here in Canada where I'm located. So that's it for this really fast video. I did start off some cantaloupe seeds and you can check out the progress on my YouTube channel. So that's it for today. Catch you on the next one.